During today's lesson, Rex and I headed over to Montrose to the soccer fields. It's hard to see in this video, but there are quite a few small children behind us. I'm going to say 30 to 40 small kids back in the background. Throughout the video, you can see them better, but here we're just working on our downstay with that impulse control, with being away from me while there is a million distractions all around us. There's dogs walking around, cars driving by, and there are quite a few kids behind us as well as coaches. And again, here we are working on that downstay with distractions. You can start to see the kids and the coaches even behind us now, kicking balls, setting up obstacles. All kinds of different things are going on behind us. And then, unfortunately, right here, whenever I went back to release him from that state, there was a bee on him, and it kind of upset him. I think it may have stung him. I could not find any spots on him, but poor little buddy did have a little nervousness going on now about the down, especially in that specific area. So I did go ahead and just get him back up and reset him. I can't blame him. That was not fun to have a bee on you, especially if he did actually get stung by it. And then right here, as I start to walk towards him, you can see him getting anxious again. Unfortunately, with the incident before, he was anxious about that stay and me walking towards him. That's not uncommon to happen in dogs. If something bad happens or something scary happens during a training session, then they tend to have a little bit of a nervous reaction the next time you work with them. So we went ahead and we just continued to work through it and let them know that it wasn't the training and me that caused the accident. It was just something that occurred. It's confidence building at its finest, getting dogs to work through that little bit of anxiety. Sometimes in training, a noise can occur that's scary, or even an obstacle falling off of a wall, and then it can set dogs back. So we just go ahead and we work back through it. And right here, we're going ahead and trying something new that we haven't done, which is the down between the legs. Rex is a little difficult about laying down on concrete or sidewalks or even rocks. He's not the most confident with laying on those different textures and surfaces. He prefers to lay down in grass. So we're working through it right here. Just, hey, we can lay down on this concrete. And even, like I said, that new task of laying down in between the legs. And then again, as I walk up, he kind of bellies up to me, feeling a little anxious. I just ignore the behavior until he sits up. When he sits up normal, he gets rewarded. And then right here, we're just doing that wait with reaction to distraction and recall. And right here, we finally make that breakthrough that I can return back to him and nothing bad is going to happen. And again, right here, you can kind of see that he's not the most confident laying on the concrete. Yes, it's half concrete, half grass, but he just does not like laying on these different surfaces. So I go ahead and I have him get on there despite his hesitation and not want to. And right here, you can even see him position himself off of the concrete solidly onto the grass. He gets told no, that wasn't correct. He doesn't get rewarded, and I make him hold that stay longer for breaking it.